Hey guys, this is Purna. We are continuing ES6 training session, and today we are going to discuss about destructuring. So far we have covered variable, classes, inheritance, arrow function, and today we will discuss about destructuring. So what is destructuring? Destructuring is a convenient way of extracting multiple values into distinct variable from data stored in object and arrays. Destructuring allows us to extract multiple properties or items from an array at a time. So destructuring basically this is a simpler way to extract the object or array into different variables, and we can reuse it. So we are going to explore a few of the destructuring example like array destructuring, object destructuring, and nested object destructuring. So let's come to VS Code and we'll explore this example. Here is an array and we will extract these items of the array using destructuring. So before using destructuring, we just want to understand like how we were extracting these values before ES6. Basically the destructuring concept came in ES6. So here is an array that holds the list of cities, and I am extracting each of its element using its array index into new variable called fab1, fab2, fab3, and I am going to print it. Okay, this is how I can see, right? So in my fab1 I have extracted the first city of this array, and this hold the Delhi, and I am printing the Delhi here, right? So if we use destructuring here, then how can we do that? So let me comment this particular code, and will directly access these cities. We can directly extract these items in a particular sequence using different variables, right? So this is fab1, fab2, fab3 hold the values from this array like 0, 1, 2. First variable will hold the first element, then second, third. So and the index started with 0. So let me run this program and we'll see what will happen. So you can see, right, Delhi and Mumbai, it sequentially hold in fab1 and fab2. This is how we can use destructuring of array using ES6. Now let's explore the second example. So I will be destructuring an object by accessing its properties. So before using the destructuring, we will try to use how it was before ES6. So let's say I want to access this name and city, then how can we do that? So here you can see, right? So basically how we were accessing the properties of a object earlier, like object dot properties name. Using destructuring, how can we do that? So let me comment this out. And directly we can write down person. Okay, so now let me run this code again. Okay, so the error come here because the person we are destructuring here the person as a array. So as it is an object, so this square bracket should be replaced with curly brace. This is how we can access the property of the object. Now we can see that we are printing name and city, Raja in Hyderabad, that it was there. So here is one example of nested object, and we'll use this object for destructuring. And in this object basically we have a property called name and a property address, which is a object, and it has city and countries as its internal properties. So how can we access this? Simple, let's write down like const. Try to access its properties using destructuring here. let me run this example. Okay, so here you can see, right? So I print the full name, then foo which hold the city, and the bar hold the country. So it's everything that I can access directly in this variable. So instead of using this, if I will try to use the traditional way, then how can we do that? So let me okay, so this is how we can access its properties without using the destructuring in the traditional way. So basically destructuring makes your property accessibility very simple. So this is one alternative that to extract the object or array property. This is all about the session today, guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Techie Purna and follow me on Instagram Learn Full Stack. Thank you.